What's up, everybody? Alex Lopez with Toyota Veasley. Wanted to show you guys something cool that we've done. I know I bring you guys a lot of cool videos and I say that on every one, but this one is truly special. Reason being is we've actually been able to do something that hasn't been done up until now. So if you guys own a Land Cruiser or even the Lexus equivalent, you'll realize that one of the things that are very hard to get is power running boards. So power running boards come standard on some of the Lexuses, but if anybody was to go to try to add those aftermarket wise, they are extremely expensive. I mean, we're talking thousands and thousands of dollars for just parts alone. So we had a customer that was interested in doing power running boards, and we decided to take on the challenge and try to figure it out. And I am happy to announce that we have done it, guys. Like you guys see here, we have been able to successfully install the power running boards on the Land Cruiser. So this would work on both the Land Cruisers and the Lexus equivalent. But check this out, guys. Smooth operation. They respond so quickly. And they're lighted up so that way you guys at night are going to be able to see it. You won't miss your step. They have this kind of almost like a bed coating on it to make it slip resistant, so that way you guys don't have to worry about when it rains. And works with the rear just as well. I mean, they just deploy so quickly, guys. It's so smooth, and it looks factory. So this is a aftermarket kit, but like I said, we try to make it to where it would function just like it would from factory, and it would look just like it would from factory. So this is something exclusive, guys. I don't really know if there's anybody out there that has a Land Cruiser with running boards. This may be the first one, which is super exciting to even just think about, right? Aftermarket wise, not really a lot of options out there. You'll see on Amazon and eBay that there's kits out there, but really, we don't really know where they're coming from. There's no reviews, and I don't think anybody has actually used them. So this is something exclusive. As of right now, to the best of my knowledge, only at Toyota Veasley, guys. So something else that we've done that's really cool. Cameraman, if you want to go over to the passenger side, we've added some ambient lighting, guys. Really changed up the look of the interior of the car, and I'll show you guys what I mean. All right, guys, check this out. So all around on the dashboard, we have added ambient lighting. So these tiny little LED strips, guys, are completely customizable. It actually comes with an app that you download on your phone. You're able to switch the pattern, switch the effects. There's so many different things that you can do with them. And so right now I'm cycling through the different colors. You can pick your favorite one. And we've actually added the lighting to the footwell as well. So I know it's a little hard to see right now, but at nighttime, whatever color you pick up here on the dash will illuminate on the floorboard on both the driver, the passenger, and in the rear passengers as well. So once again, guys, this is something uniquely exclusive to Toyota Veasley. All this stuff comes with a warranty. It's literally as easy as dropping it off and then picking it back up, and I take care of the rest. So once again, guys, thank you so much for your time. Hope you guys are excited as we are. If you have any questions, reach out to us, 864-343-3014. We'll see you on the next one.